Okay, guys and gals, welcome to my channel again. Listen, I'm actually starting a little bit early this year, which is I'm getting ready for a 2021 explosion, not only in my business, but of the YouTube channel. I get better lighting here if I turn around. And all of you that so kindly participate in my videos and in my rhetoric about the industry. And I hope the title got you, the lazy, what does it say, Nor'easter for lazy life insurance agents. Because I tell you what, I have spent the last couple of weeks, really the whole year has been incredible, on a good note, aside from the COVID and the election and all the things that they got thrown at us this year. It's been to me, it's like a year of getting prepared for 2021. I believe 2021 is going to be an explosion in our business, explosion in leads, explosion in virtual sales, and anybody that has a heartbeat, that's willing to go out there and actually be active in the industry, do the work. I'm going to have a little bit of more of a take on what we're going to do next year, how we're going to talk. Honestly, even with my own team, it's almost, you've heard before, the tough love, the tough talk. I'm not trying to tough talk or tough love necessarily anybody, but let's get real. No business opportunity to whereby you can make a lot of money. Listen, for the price of an insurance license, less than a couple $100. I have spoken in the last 90 days to people that are making upwards to $1 million a year. Now, that's crazy money. It's not ordinary. That's maybe 2 out of 1,000 agents that are willing to make that kind of money. And the reason why I bring it up is because I like to know the numbers. I'm not saying that I'm willing to do the work to make $1 million a year in my own pen. You may be. There's a lot of people that are willing to do that kind of work. All I'm saying is, if you know what the bottom is and you know what the top end is, what somebody's already done with the same industry, with the same leads, with the same product, that means that you can pick a number between 0 and $1 million, because that's about the top right now for personal production with your own pen. And that just, lets everybody know that, hey, it's possible. Now, from there, you need to figure out what you're willing to do, get beyond the emotion. I mean, as I said before, everybody wants to make $1 million. Not everybody's willing to work for $1 million. So if you're willing to work next year, finish this year off strong, leading forward, because I believe how you finish this year is really going to determine how you do. First of all, how you start next year, but also how you just get out of the gate, right? Shake it off. Hopefully, we're going to get the vaccine, and all this nonsense about the COVID will be past us. I still think virtual sales will be a very big part of our business, as will be face-to-face. I love face-to-face, kneecap-to-kneecap business. I believe I do better. I shine better, depending on the personality. But again, I think virtual sales is here to stay. So as we perfect our processes, I know on our team we have a 4-day-a-week meet up where we meet in the morning, we dial, and we do appointments in the afternoon, and that's been very, very successful. We have a complete boot camp on how to do that. So anyway, that's not what this video is about. I just got through traveling all the way across the country into this nor'easter up in northern Virginia, Pennsylvania, Maryland area, and it's pouring down rain outside. We don't have any snow here yet, but I'm going to try to get in here, work with some agents over the next couple of days, and then get out of here and back to California. Not proud of it, but that's where I live for now. Anyways, I just want to kind of do a shout out to Angela, because the great thing, if you're willing to go out on the road and build your agency and run appointments for production, I think you put yourself in a different category. If you're willing to travel, go where the leads are, grab some leads, run some appointments, make yourself 8, 9, 10,000 or more for the week. Talk to some agents, people that are dream driven, that actually want to change their lives financially and willing to do the work, not just join, but do the work, right? Be dream achievers, not just dream setters. If you're willing to do that, I love traveling. I hate being away from the family. I hate being away from home. But the great thing about it is it gives you an appreciation of what you have at home. And I admit, times I take advantage of, or I take for granted is a better word for it, things that show me that I'm really loved and missed when I hit the road, and for what I do for our family every single day. So let me just kind of show this to you. This is my suitcase. Hopefully you can see that, right? And everything, I'll get this thing out of the way so we can see, okay? Sorry about the camera work here, but you can see, I mean, there's no way in the world that I could ever pack a suitcase like this one. I'm just saying, okay? I just put the stuff in a ball and throw it in a suitcase. But you can see that I have my morning fix right here, okay? Which is my hard to find V8 energy drink, cranberry. That's all I drink in the morning. And then I rush to get a tea at Starbucks. And then as you can see that each one of my belts are nice and neatly packed in poly bags, right? Look at this, okay? Let me do this way, maybe that's better. And then in this one here, I have a card, which I'm not gonna open while you're watching. Not that there's anything dirty in it or anything like that. Then I have a picture, right? To remind me of good times with a Jeep and with Minnie and Angela. I gotta do this really fast because my battery's running out, okay? Then you open up this, and now I have here for you guys, maybe some girls too, I know what I'm wearing for Friday, right? And that's all packed up. Look at my shoes are all in poly bags here as well. I've got the mask, which I hate the mask. The only good thing about this mask is it's Tampa Bay Buccaneer mask. And so we may have a shot this year, so I got that. And then, of course, I've got another picture of Minnie and Dad, okay? I have my day briefcase right here that I can use when I'm going back and forth to my meetings and not have to carry my my traveling briefcase, which is a rolling bag that I use in the airports, okay? Then, let's see what else I have here. Flipping over to the next one, we'll put that back in here. I got my jeans there. I got my socks all in these little bags here. I've got my suit here, all in again in a poly bag, right? Uh-oh. Open me Thursday morning. So another card, okay? And then I have all my clothes in here just neatly packed up and put away for every day. I know what I'm wearing today when I got on the airplane. I know what I'm wearing tomorrow. I know what I'm wearing Friday. And I know what I'm wearing on the road going home on Saturday. Guys and gals, I don't want to, depending on which one of you are traveling, maybe you're both traveling, but when you go out there and you fight for financial freedom, you fight for personal liberty for you and your family every day. There's no greater feeling to know that you're appreciated. And you go out there and pay the price. Someone is there. I don't know of any woman or even man, for that matter, that goes out there and fights for their family and fights to move their family in a different place financially that isn't appreciated. Right? So go out there and get it done. Again, I think it's a breakout year, 2021. But again, how we finish 2020 is determines how we start, I believe, 2021, and really how we get out of the gate very, very early. So look forward to talking to you again. I'm going to get back on this series of how top income earners think different. I hope to cut one of those videos this week when I'm out on the road. But if not, I'll see you on Sunday. Bye-bye. If y'all in this nor'easter, be very, very careful. But go out there, man, and get started now. You got a couple of weeks of free time here to prepare yourself physically, emotionally, get into some good training, and really maximize. Start out the year. Get a jump on the year. It's like being the early bird gets the worm kind of thing, right? I really believe that this industry is going to explode next year, and you can be part of it. Bye bye.